see that huge escalator system. It's quite towering, so it'll give you quite a lift up several levels. And a little bit more glass, I guess, over here, right off of Prairie. So this is like looking out towards LAX, towards the west. Looks like they're doing a lot of management here with a lot of wet soil. So you can see this area here is separate from the arena, which will be the Clipper offices, all that good stuff. And then I think below ground level is where the practice facility will be. It's pretty much all in one contained area here of Clipperville. Practicing, games, treatment, front offices, all that stuff happens right here in the heart of Inglewood. And make our way up here at the corner of Prairie and Century, which will be the Plaza area, kind of a entry point into this facility. So we're kind of heading up here towards the Plaza area here, the corner of Prairie and Century. Pretty muddy here today. See some brackets there, which I think will be used to mount some kind of support, which will hold the unique looking panels for the roof, which will, I guess, resemble like a basketball net, ball going through it, like a swish. Just a lot of dirt management here right now. A lot of water still. We've had rain this morning. We've had rain pretty much, it seems like almost every day or night. And if it's not raining, it's really windy. So I'm not sure how difficult it has been for the workers here to resume their normal duties here, this construction with all the elements that are in play. Pedestrian support. It's got some tarps on it right now. It looks like there is some additional structure that's been set in place, like some aluminum paneling or something. Yeah, Illuma systems. All right, just heard the air horn, and we've got some supplies going up here by crane, and we'll see exactly where they take this. See a couple more of those mounts or brackets, what do you want to call them, that'll probably be supports for that exterior roof design. We've got a couple here over by the Clipper office windows. can see a glass panel that they're gonna fix somewhere here. A side shot of the escalator. Some other posts that they have wrapped up as well. Looks like both parking structures now are pretty much finished. Look like they're pretty much ready to go. I know they've been utilizing them. Oh, they're doing some welding. Here's the other side of the pedestrian support, also with the Illuma system and in a tarp. Basically be able to walk across here and not deal with any cars and pedestrian nightmares like that. And here we have everybody's favorite, the house that has held out so far. Remember, there used to be another house or duplex or something like that that was over there, which I guess they bought out and is now other future development for the Intuit Dome. All right, we'll walk up along 104th Street just for a little bit. I always like to check out being in the actual neighborhood of Inglewood and seeing the impact of the arena. Remember the last time I was out here on Doty, there were several trucks lined up waiting to get in. Today, not one truck staged and waiting. Out here off 102nd Street and Doty. See one of these awesome glass structures here all the way on the east end of the Intuit Dome. One piece of glass missing.